Oh, according to Facebook, it's already my 10th second. I am live. Hold on, I'm not really that good at this yet. Let me see. Let me see. Yep, I'm live. I am live. I don't know how to pass on my link, but yeah, I am live. Okay, so I was supposed to do the self-introduction. That's item number 6, but let me do it first. I am, nakita nyo naman, Janice Tante. Actually, I'm formally Janice Tante, Mrs. Kai. Still Mrs. Kai. I am half Filipino, but full full sa heart ko, ako ay Dabawenya, Pilipina. Okay? Can you hear me well? Sis, Chai, I only have one person who's watching me. And I don't know how to... Can you hear me clearly, sis? Klaro good kay sis. Bisaya lang sa ko, sis, kay. Total. Ikaw pa man tanaw. Clear. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, sis. Alright, so let me introduce FGF. FGF mission and vision statement. If we sum it up, it's... Oh, hello! Oh, yeah, Emerson! Emerson Tan, shout out! God, family, community. What kind of community? Porok, barangay, your district, your city, your province, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and the nation, Philippines. So that's the mission. We focus on that. Unshakable objectives, family first. As I mentioned earlier, we prioritize the protection and provision for the families. Syempre, di ba? We have bills to pay. We gotta eat. Kids to educate. Ourselves to feed for those who are single. And other obvious responsibilities. Now, number 2, Purok and Barangay Guardians. So we watch over the immediate community. The grassroots, where do you live? So Purok, and then your barangay. We have a specific chain of command. Sa Bisaya pa, dili mi yagaw ba? Dili mi yagaw? What is yagaw in Tagalog? What is nagkayagaw in Tagalog? Who's watching me? Who's watching me? Who's watching me? What is nagkayagaw in Tagalog? We are not like... Shit, I'm thinking of another Bisaya word, no? Tirapasagad. We have a proper chain of command. We follow that chain of command. So, yes, we have leaders in the Purok Barangay, city, and then the regions. So, right now, I have been designated I have been designated to lead the communications and social media relations. So I really have to learn the social media relation stuff in more details pa. Like, I really gotta study this. And yes, will be introduced to people who will be helping me, who are also, of course, from FGF. Why will be ang sinasabi ko? Because I am the newest leader in FGF. And so yun yung summary muna ha. Kasi I have a class at 7 o'clock. I have to teach at 7 o'clock sharp. I do have to end this live. And my target is to end this live before 6:45. I gotta eat a bit. I gotta open my the online books, the online activities, because I gotta teach some kids. I gotta teach 3 kids tonight. Also, eto yung mabigat-bigat. For me, I am a professional teacher. I studied education, English major. I am someone who led in school. And I'm really trying my best to do it again. But this time, it's a little bigger ang venue ko because you have the community per se. Franz Castro. We all know who Franz Castro is. Who doesn't, right? What they are doing as members of the corrupt Filipino Communist Party of the corrupt Communist Party of the Philippines. What they're doing is AOM. AOM, them. EOM, us. And also the revitalized police sa barangay, which was spearheaded by a retired General Fillmore Escobar. What they are doing and what we in the Filipino guerrilla forces are doing is the same thing. EOM. Them and us. AOM. They do agitate, organize, mobilize. Agitate. Agitate is to make you feel angry. They feed on your anger. Ginagalit kayo. Ginapasok ko mo. Ginapasok ko ta. Para ma-recruit. O is organize. The organizing part here is the recruitment part. And they will, this is the kind of like recruitment and education part. The ideology part for these communists. And then goes the mobilization part, the mobilize. Mobilize, let's use the verb, action word, verb, mobilize. Maglihok na. I'm so sorry, it's really so difficult to say it in Tagalog. Kikilos na. But that's them. But as I said earlier, here in FGF, because we have teachers here, we have retired military, we have professional agriculturists, we have engineers, doctors, so many other professions here. We have students, we have OFW, we have ordinary people also, like kasambahay, tricycle driver, cargador, you name it. Alright? What we do here is to first educate. Logic first. Logic first. Kaalaman, karunungan. Thank you, Lord. You're helping me speak Tagalog now. Kaalaman, karunungan first. And then goes the organized part. So here, if you kind of like watch this live, and then You comment, I would like to know more about FGF. I will try my best to respond as soon as I can, but I really might respond a little late too. But for sure, since I will make sure that people in FGF will also have a look at this and share this, we will be connecting sa inyo. We will first be educating you. I want you to fully understand the mission and vision statement first, the objectives, the clear chain of command, and why we are doing it. You have to understand first, because at the end of the day, it's up to you. At the end of the day, it's up to you. Kayo ang bahala if you want to join us or not. And then we are trying to fight wrong ideologies by making sure that by educating as many people from all sectors, all walks of life, all ages, they will have a culture of obedience. Why is it important to have a culture of obedience? It is for us to succeed and not fail. Now, number 3, we have FGF OFW Global. This is like a separate division, special division with committed commanders, and they have their activities. Okay? And for this one, is FGF political? Yes and no. To those who know, okay, our leaders are our Supreme Generals. We have 2, Supremo Dado and Supremo Bukay. Deputy, si Deputy Supremo Bukay, si Supremo Dado is the Supreme General. Siya yung nasa top, and then next is Supremo Bukay, and then we have the commanders. We have the national commanders, we have the regional commanders, and we have other special division like mine, like the newest one is mine. All right, I'm saying yes and no to the question, is FGF political? Now, this is the answer to those who listened and believed and got emotionally triggered by what Jonathan Morales said. All right? I'll do name dropping na. I just have to. To those who listened to Jonathan Morales and said na, o nga, nasaan ang FGF? Sabi ninyo, protect VP Sara. Sabi ninyo, protect VP Sara. Ganito po. FGF is really a non-political organization. I said it earlier. Sa kakapasok lang, I will say it again. Mission and vision statement namin, nothing is political there. We are a societal organization. Societal. Maka-komunidad. Para sa katilingban, kung sa Bisaya pa. Yeah, it's easier when I translate it in Bisaya and not freaking Tagalog. So, yes, we're political because FGF is composed of people. And especially right now, each person, even teenagers, they have their personal political views and opinions. So there you go. Is FGF political? As a group? No. But the individuals, yep, we do have it. Okay. I didn't really watch the entirety of what Mr. Jonathan Morales said. I respect you, Sir JM. I respect you a lot. But I do have to admit that I got very, very hurt. Capitalized HURT with 3 big exclamation points, font size, bold, font size is 150. Ang sakit po. I respect you. Please respect me too. To anyone who wants to bash me because you believe in Jonathan Morales, I am never going to waste my time, energy, and pent up emotions in the comment section. I'm never gonna do that. I can be very good in ignoring you. And it's my choice. Yes, marami na kami. Marami na kami. Correct me if I'm wrong. May sinabi daw po ni Mr. Morales na puro yabang yata. I think that was the word used. I'm not so sure because I didn't really watch the entirety. Why watch something that would further, I'm so sorry for mispronouncing that word, why would I watch something that would further agitate me? Further what's that joke on Facebook, like emotional damage by Stephen He? Why am I gonna give myself that? Right? I kind of watched him, but I didn't really finish. I didn't finish watching it. Sir, with all due respect po, ang mga supremo namin and marami-rami na din sa kanila sa national leadership namin sa FGF, napagdaanan din po kasi nila yung EDSA 1 mismo. 4 years old pa po ako noon. Kaso pumunta ako nung sa August 25 sa KOJC, no? Andoon si Tropang Bisaya, the YouTuber Tropang Bisaya, the Bawenyo PHP, KPL, Sir Co-op. I'm personal friends with them. Andoon sila. Andoon ako. I was there. Yung tatakbo ka na lang kasi may tear gas. Diba? It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not like what happened na yung sa EDSA 2 when I think I was 19. Na yung kumakanta-kanta lang kami, tumawa kami ni PL kasi magkaidaran kami ni PL, tawa kami, sabi ko, I call ka PL, Pambansang Loyal on YouTube. Please subscribe these guys, Bisdakeros. And of course, si VMR and si Bisdak Pilipinas. I'm like, PL bay, kay numdum ka, kay erap, falling down, gumaganyan-ganyan pa kami eh. Oh, erap, falling down. Tapos we were just laughing and erap was kind enough to, he did step down. But this one right now, he's a little bit too stubborn. He doesn't want to give it up. For reasons that we can only speculate. But he, and of course his wife, his family, they're the only ones who know. Mr. Morales, and to anyone who will watch this, Sir, hindi pwedeng maraming masaktan. Hindi pwede yung may masaktan. As much as possible, walang masasaktan. Karamihan sa amin, lahat ata lahat ata kami sa FGF talaga no? Kasi, I'm saying lahat yata. Kasi nga, we have our own personal, political, beliefs and views. We respect each other. Napagkamalan kami na political group because ang dalawa naming supremo, lahat ng mga commanders, lahat ng leaders dito ay pro PRRD and pro VP Sara. Sir, respeto naman po. Konting respeto. I've watched and listened to Supremo Dado, Supremo Bukay. It's a matter of miscommunication, sir. It's a matter of miscommunication po. Sir naman, please, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. It's a matter of miscommunication. And nasa more or less 60s na kayo retired na kayo, diba? Who would be qualified for retirement sa kung hindi late 50s or like early 60s? I'm just guessing the ages, right? Huwag naman ganyan, sir. We have our own set of directives. You understand that? Pulis kayo. Matagal kayo sa pagiging pulis ninyo, diba? Hi, Ate Divina. And yeah, I'm doing this. I'm a part of the Filipino guerrilla forces. I hope you have a look. I hope you kind of like watch the very beginning of this blog. I'm gonna try my best to finish this within 12 minutes. Ano sir logic pa din, not panic. And sa totoo lang, because I'm in the different FGF group chats, nandoon kami. Pero we cannot be just, rah, 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 andito ng FGF! No. Surveillance first. Surveillance, head count. Diba? Proper, ano kami dito yung parang, okay, ilang kayo dyan in your barangay na malapit sa, diba? Supremo Dado and Supremo Bukay, they will tell you a bit. Teaser, kumbaga. Preview of what we will do. But because they're doing it in the YouTube platform, a social media platform, and they are protecting their organization, their group, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Dahil ang OFW namin, it's a totally separate group na support sila. Support system namin sila sa brainstorming and so many other things. Ang focus namin ngayon is, as I said, we go back to the mission and vision. Family. Ano ba ang pinaka kailangan natin ngayon? Hindi na mangyayari yung 20 pesos na bigas na yan. Hello? So, of course, nag-connect yung mga leaders sa mga agriculturist, fisher folks. Just in case, yung fiasco dyan sa WPS, kung sa Bisaya pa, Simbako Uroy, Simbako mahitabo, Simbako lang. Huwag naman sana, I guess that's the right word in Tagalog, huwag naman sana mangyari, may nakaimbak kaming pagkain. Hindi kami magugutom, walang mamamatay. We can protect ourselves, our homes first. Yun yung preparation po namin. We're not saying that we do not care. Of course we care. Thing is, we follow our structure. We deeply respect our leaders. Sir JM naman, I'm hoping na kahit I'm a microscopic Facebook persona, just in case makarating ito sa inyo, sir naman, miscommunication lang yan. Diba? Lahat naman kayang mapag-usapan. Lahat. I know you have been through so much. You've been through so much. I saw you, how hurt you were. Tumalikod si Madam Pebbles. Kamag-anakan mo siya, di ba? Sabi niyo yun eh. Napanood ko kayo. I'm one of your very silent viewers. Sir naman. We have our own chain of command. And kapag ka sinabing it's time to go out with them, yung mga lalabas is secure sila. They know what to do. As much as possible, none of them will get physically hurt. So, yes. Ito talaga yung pinakapunto ko eh. As one of the new leaders of FGF, in charge, dinesignate sa akin yan eh. Dinesignate sa akin ni Commander Alex sa Region 11. Nagpa-planning na kami ni Sir Luke for social media relations proper. Ang naging timeline ko sana is before Wednesday next week, meron na kaming, you know, volunteers for EOM nga kami, educate, organize, mobilize. Medyo na-disrupted siya ng konti ngayon due to the events. All of us are updated because of these social media platforms, and thank you to the vloggers. Let's calm down. Gusto kong ipaliwanag ano ang paninindigan ng FGF at sino po kami. Oh, it's already 6:40. So, I have to end my live now. Let's calm down. This is logic versus panic. Which one will you choose? Are you gonna choose logic or are you gonna choose panic? Matataranta ka ba? Or mag-iisip ka? Ang sabi ng nanay ko, walay tambal ang tarantada. I love you, ma. Amping Japan, ma. Amping Japan with Shobe. Okay, way tambal sa tarantada, Janice. I love you, ma. I miss you. So yeah, I'm gonna end my live. I gotta eat dinner and then get ready for my classes. Bye.